Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gaining direct access to accessibility settings. Open Settings now, then type or navigate to Accessibility. Make sure TalkBack is currently running so you can disable it. You need your unlock method ready because gestures differ under TalkBack, and you may need to confirm changes. Once the accessibility page is visible, locate the TalkBack entry. This is the pivot point. You must be precise with double tap and 2-finger scrolls. While TalkBack is active to move to the Talk, now go into TalkBack settings and find the Braille Keyboard option. It may read as Braille Keyboard or Braille Keyboard for TalkBack. You will double tap to open entries and use 2-finger scrolling to navigate. Once located, toggle the Braille Keyboard off and confirm the dialog. This removes the on-screen Braille input. If gestures are awkward, use the TalkBack shortcut, usually volume keys held, to suspend TalkBack temporarily, making the toggle and confirmation easier to perform. Finish by disabling TalkBack itself. From Accessibility, select TalkBack and toggle it off. Double tap to confirm. Once TalkBack is off, test your regular keyboard to ensure Braille input is gone and standard typing works. If the toggle is unresponsive, use the volume key shortcut to suspend TalkBack, then retry. If problems persist, restart the device. A reboot clears stuck accessibility services. Remember why. Disabling TalkBack restores standard gestures and prevents the Braille keyboard from activating unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.